it's Kayla. So I have this roll of like this contact liner stuff that I saved from my previous years because my mom and I didn't know that it was like a sticker, and so you could peel it off and like stick it down. And then also by not using the sticker part, it's reusable kinda, so we love that for us. But basically, I don't know if you can tell, but I have drawers in my steps. My goal, my plan is to line the bottom of it because it was like from this boy, and he was like a little kid, but you know, germs and stuff. So I'm gonna be lining all my drawers with it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 drawers I need to line, and I thought, you know, this could be some interesting content. So I'm in a Zoom meeting right now for class, so that I'm on mute. And I haven't had breakfast yet. And yesterday I went to the store and decided that I wanted to. Let me just make sure I'm on mute. Okay, that I wanted to treat myself with one of these like little half cake things, and each slice is like a different kind of cake. And I basically bought it for my birthday, but I don't know if it's gonna last till then. But I'm gonna have a slice of cake now, or at least part of a cake, and I am probably gonna eat the carrot cake one because I feel carrot cakey today. Hello. The reason why I'm dressed like this is because I'm about to attend a yoga class thing, and it's like a virtual Zoom thing. I really like to do yoga when I feel down because it like connects me with my body and it gets me to move, but I don't like sweat. Yeah, it's just like a great self-care thing to do. Tomorrow we have plans to go to the farmer's market. I am looking for some muscadines because your girl loves herself some muscadines. So hopefully I can find some there tomorrow. But I will also take you along with me. This is just a big old self-care vlog because honestly we need it, you know? I will see you, I guess, after I finish class. So as you can see, I finished my yoga class. I feel great. This is probably like the second best yoga class I've ever taken. The very first yoga class, I decided I wanted to take a yoga class, and I think I was like crying during like the yoga session because I just had like so much packed in. Bottled in, that's the term. I had so much bottled in during that yoga session, and then it's, you know, it's that part where it's like lay down, like forget about everything that's happening outside, like just clear your mind and set your intention for today's practice. And I had tears coming down my face, and it's just like, thank yourself for being here today. I'm like, yes, body, thank you for being here today. Anyways, that was like the best one I've ever had, but this is the second best. It's really good. I feel like I haven't done like a full like yoga session like that in a while, so it's great. She's probably my favorite yoga instructor that I have ever found before, and I don't think she works for Campus Rec, so that sucks. But I'm gonna see if I can like find more of her stuff because I really, really like it. It's really good.
I can help you text. We do the minimum 10. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'm sorry. Okay, so here's her tomato soup drink. Okay, so you said it's 22. Okay, so let me go get the top. Okay. Hey, is he helping you? Okay.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
What's up, ladies?
Hi.
They're $10, and then the big ones are $5 a stem. You get multiple rows.
I don't think I have a very tall base.
That's the problem with those. They are quite large.
I'm just gonna roast them first also.
But yeah, I guess I
So
can do
just
this.
like
You want to do one of them?
whatever you can.
Okay, so just one. tell for it.
Yellow, white, whatever.
And anything that's, see how it's like when it gets really, like that's right, and then we'll continue. As long as we get more orange.
Still
2 pounds.
Anything else for you?
One of these fish is bigger than the other fish. That's okay.
That is okay. Everyone is not the same size.
I don't think I need a reminder of what year it is. I think we all know.
Looks so good. You ready for me to teach you how to do calligraphy?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess start off with writing a cursive S. Or even write out like the whole September in cursive or whatever. So you went up that way, down this way, and then back up that way. So you want to go light going up, push down really, really hard going down, and then go back up light.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Ooh.
So if you do it really spaced apart, then you can go in later and just, then, yeah.
So exciting. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. This is the basic vibe. We're gonna add more to it to make it better. So on the left hand side, I'm gonna put like a tarot card description thingy. I'm like debating on how I want to go about that. Like if I want to pull like a daily card every day, or if I want to just pull a bunch for the week, and then each card is like each day. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm like debating on how I want to go about that.
That's cool.
Thanks. I've never done a koi fish theme.
I don't really have any ideas for how to continue this. I just like the September little fish situation.
Just draw a bunch more koi.
I really just stopped recording things like very early for this self-care tracker. It looks very bare. I like kept forgetting and then I gave up, and so it just looks like I have not showered. How do you do your months? I feel like this is a nice month, but maybe it's time to open it up to different options.
You mean for like the calendars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's your name?
I'm glad you asked that question. So, you could do this, where you just list the numbers and list the stuff. You could also, you know, draw like a 2-page calendar.
That 2-page, that's beautiful.
Thank you. You could also do like a 1-page calendar.
How do you like it?
I actually like it a lot because, I mean, except if you know that you have like a lot happening, like for school, for example, if I like redid this, I'd probably do like 2 sections for school, and then like 1 section for like social/other. Yeah, like I redid it, and so, yeah. I like it, it's nice, but it depends on like what you want the calendar to do.
Okay, so maybe instead of a self-care tracker, I can just do like a mood tracker. Maybe I don't do a mood tracker. Maybe I do the mood tracker every day I journal. Maybe I could just do a 2-page calendar. Never done a 2-page calendar before.
I like that it gives you a lot of space to write stuff in.
Yeah. Okay. It's time to find a 2-page calendar. I've only come with the plan like once. Every other time I'm just like, Kayla knows things, I'll ask her.
Weird.
I'm pulling back, he just like wanted to be part of it. Okay. Yes, please stand on my computer. I don't have any. Is all I'm gonna type? Just want me to stroke your head? Okay. blanket with snowflakes that I have.
Mm-hmm.
I think like
Lauren, that's how you know it's your cat.
bread. I don't even think that he's had bread before. I don't know why he's so into it.
It's squishy.
Yeah. It's so funny to me that he brought it upstairs just by himself.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what I'm doing with these big spaces. Maybe I can like stick some bubbles in there or something.
You could draw parts of a fish.
It's true. I think I had this idea. Well, I saw someone else do it. To put a little lunar calendar right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I did this very rough rectangle.
That would be really fun.
I don't really know what else to put here.
I usually like to put a quote.
Yeah. I'm very bad about quotes. I never have like quotes that I just have on hand.
Mm-hmm. I guess the quotes I use are usually just like what I want the vibe to be for the month.
Mm. He really is my cat, isn't he?
He is.
There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say, pace yourself, slow it down. And I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. There's something about the way you talk with your hand. The way that you say my name when nobody's there. No. You say it's alright. Take your space if you need a break. And if I need to disconnect, that's okay. This ain't no race. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine when we're killing time. Oh, killing time.
Alright, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this self-care vlog, seeing me and Lauren. But bullet journal. Oh, that reminds me, I'm going to insert some pictures of what Lauren's spread and my spreads turned out like, because I think Lauren's spreads look amazing. I'm pretty proud of my spreads too. I hope that you remember that we all need to give ourselves and each other a little bit more love.